guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and in today's video I'm back with another fun food challenge. So this challenge is known as I cooked and ate only McDonald's food for 24 hours. So this is gonna be a fun challenge because we will be only eating things from McDonald's menu, and also I'll be making those things at home. So if you're someone who's missing McD a lot, then this video is for you because the recipes are amazing. Like, it's gonna turn out amazing, I'm sure. So let's just begin with today's video. So right now it's around 11:30, so we will be beginning direct with our lunch because already it's around 12, so we need to have our lunch. So now when I talk about McD menus, the most famous thing that comes to my mind is always burgers, right? But for the lunch I'm not going to have burgers because that's not my type. So for the lunch from the McDonald's menu, I have found out that the cheesy rice bowls would be the perfect fit. So if you don't know, McDonald's also have the cheesy rice bowls. Obviously you will be knowing it. So I'm gonna try the cheesy rice at home. So let's just see how that happens. So yeah, let's begin. Okay you guys, so as you saw, the cheesy rice was just awesome. It was just the same as McD because I haven't added much of vegetables. I added the vegetables which I liked. So yeah, you can just add the toppings according to your choice, but the rice was just awesome. Try it at home, you'll just like it, and it's very simple also. It doesn't take really long time. So yeah, you can definitely try that at home. So the rice is done, and I had a super heavy lunch, so yeah, but it was equally tasty, so anything for that. So now I think I'll be having some work to be done, and then I'll be seeing you guys when I eat something next. Hey you guys, I'm back. So it's around 6:30, so I am really hungry. So we are gonna make our dinner. Like, I know it's early, but it's gonna take a lot of time for the preparation itself. So I thought it would be better if I start early. So the things that I have selected out of the McDonald's menu are fries, and second is mac veggie burger. So we are gonna make these two things for our dinner. Now I don't think I'll be able to finish it, but we are gonna try that. So yeah, these two things are the ones which we are gonna try for dinner. Now let's just see how it turns out, and let's head on to the kitchen. 8:30 p.m. and my dinner is all ready. So I have Mac veggie burger and fries, which we have in McDonald's menu. So yeah. And for the drink, like I didn't want to go for Coke because soft drinks are, you know, like not appropriate for this season. So I have prepared lemonade, like because in McDonald's menu we have Sprite, right? So I have tried to make a kind of lemonade and have in this bottle. So yeah, so that is what I'm gonna have, mac veggie, fries and lemonade. So yeah, let's just have our dinner. And it took quite a lot to make this both things, like it's too time consuming, but yeah, let's have it. Look at this burger, it's delicious. So I'm just gonna have this. Also, so today because I'm eating in my room, I have you know, my laptop right here, and there's something going on like a movie and all, so I'm just watching that. So don't mind if I'm looking towards that direction because I'm just watching it while eating. So yeah, let's just have our dinner. Okay you guys, so as you just saw, I had my mac veggie burger and fries. Let me tell you, the burger was legit same as the McD burger. If you're watching this, you need to try this at home. You're not gonna miss McD, so try it out. And it was just so yum. And the main ingredient which made it super yum was the seasoning, like the mayonnaise seasoning which I made. You might have already watched in the video, but I'm just focusing more on that because that had a really great taste. So make sure you try this out at home. You're gonna love it, I'm sure. So try this out at home. Okay you guys, so now I am all full. So now I don't have any space for anything for the entire night. So obviously I'm not gonna eat anything right now, like afterwards also. But since I started this challenge at 11:30 today in the morning, I'll be having to continue this challenge till 11:30 tomorrow in the morning because it's a 24 hours challenge. Now tomorrow I have my classes, so I'll have to wake up early at around 8. So I think I'll have to eat a meal in between before 12. So that also will be from the McDonald's menu. So let's see what I'm gonna try out tomorrow. I'm just excited to know. So yeah, and now I have some work to be done and then I'll be going to sleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning you guys. So it's the next day, it's morning time and it's around 8:30. So right now I'm not hungry, so I'm not gonna have anything right now, but I guess I will have to eat something before 12. So let's see if I have to eat it or not. Currently I'm just having my classes, so I'm just joining them and just studying. So yeah, I'll just see you guys when I'm gonna eat. Hey you guys, so I'm back. So it's around 9:40. So I have my this lecture free, so I have a gap of 1 hour in between. So obviously now I'm hungry, so I'll have to eat something. So let's make a McD burger. So I'm just gonna show you which burger I'm gonna make and let's just have it. So here's my burger. So as you guys just saw, we made it and it looks super yum. Just look at this. Just look at this. So I'm just gonna have this one, and then again we have classes, so we have to join in. So I'm just gonna finish it fast and yeah. Hey you guys, so as you saw, I had the big fat burger and now I'm sorted for just 5-6 hours straight because burgers are really heavy, and especially the cheese and aloo tikki and all makes it really heavy. Now the one thing which I want to tell you guys is, if you're watching this video, I want you all to try this recipe because it's so yum. You are not gonna go McD again, so you have to try this. And the second thing which I want to tell you is, I have filmed the method of me making it, but in case the video gets so long, I won't be adding that entire recipes in this video. If you want detailed recipes of these things, I'll be putting it up on my food channel if the video becomes so long. If not, then I'll be including the entire recipes. But in case that happens, then here's my food channel, so you can just go and check that out. I will have uploaded the recipes by the time the video goes live, so you can just go and check that out. Okay, so now it's already close to 11:30, which means that's the time I started my challenge yesterday. So we are completing 24 hours, and obviously I'm not gonna eat another burger in next few minutes. So we have successfully completed the I cooked and ate McD food for 24 hours challenge, and I hope you guys would have loved it. It was such a fun challenge. These turned out really yum, and I just loved all of them, so I'm gonna try them frequently. And so yeah, that was all about today's video, and I hope you guys would have loved it.